Hi guys, this is AJ and welcome to my cookery show. Today I'm going to be making one of my all-time favorite desserts, Panna Cotta. It is a rich Italian dessert and these are the ingredients you need. Gelatin powder, cold milk, heavy cream, vanilla extract, sugar, and finally chocolate sauce. Okay guys, let's get cooking. To start with, we have 1/4 cup of cold milk in a small bowl. To this, we add 1.5 teaspoons of gelatin powder. Let this mixture sit for 10 minutes. It's going to be very soft and spongy. Meanwhile, let's boil the cream. To the saucepan, let's add 2 1/4 cups of cream and half a cup of sugar. Okay, just mix and bring it to a boil and make sure the sugar dissolves. Okay guys, very important, make sure you have another next to you. Ooh, this looks so rich and creamy. The cream is really hot. Remove it from the heat. Add in the gelatin mixture. Stir it really well until the gelatin dissolves completely. I love the smell of vanilla. That was half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's give it a good mix. Yay, we're almost done. Now let's pour it in each of the cups. Into the refrigerator it goes for 5 hours. Yay, the panna cotta is ready to be served. On the first one, I'm going to put some caramel sauce. On your panna cotta, you can put any fruits or sauces. I like mine plain, so I'm going to taste this one. It's so delicious and rich. It melts in my mouth. You should try this easy recipe at home. You'll love it. I hope you enjoyed my cookery show. Thank you.